Assalamu alaikum, ya'tikum al-afiyah. Hello everyone, this is Hamida Rahimi. I'm the WRO World Robot Olympiad national organizer in Kuwait starting 2024. In this orientation, I will take you through the history of WRO, the missions, the tracks, the Kuwait tournament, and the finals. This presentation will be very informative for schools, universities, training centers, parents, teams who would like to participate. This is how a WRO tournament and a competition looks like. It has a lot of challenges because we will be announcing there is a time ticking and clicking for missions to be completed, and there are secret missions that will be announced during the competition. Teams will experience a range of emotions, and we are welcoming to see all the reactions. We want them really to grow in these competitions, to learn new skills of coping and adapting, time management, teamwork, all the beautiful skills that we want our youth to have. It has a great opportunity for those teams to be innovative, to create ideas or to bring their ideas to life in prototypes. And they will meet a lot of teams from other countries, their age, who are doing the same thing and who have the same passion. And inshallah, we will end the year 2024 with an amazing result and an achievement on a global level. WRO in general, it started in 2004 in Singapore, and there are 97 countries participating, and Kuwait is starting in 2024. Every year the competition is being held in a country. In 2024 it will be in Turkey, in 2025 in Singapore, and we have a plan to host it one day in Kuwait, inshallah. Our premium partner globally is Aramco. They are sponsoring us with information, insights. We will have a special project with Aramco, and they are focusing a lot on the future innovator track. This is the theme of 2024 WRO.
Humans rely on nature for food, for energy, for things we use every day. We need to protect our Earth. But the Earth can also be dangerous, with storms and floodings, with earthquakes and volcanoes. Can we live in harmony with nature and be safe from natural disasters? Can robots be our Earth allies?
That help us to be Earth allies. WRO Kuwait. Inshallah, it will be on October 3rd, 2024. That will be a Thursday. We are participating only in 2 tracks, the Robo Mission and the Future Innovator. In both tracks, we will be participating in different age groups: elementary 8 to 12, juniors 11 to 15, seniors 14 to 19. Team size will be 2 to 3 people guided by a coach, and at least one of the team members should be Kuwaiti for the team to be qualified for the finals. If we have teams with non-Kuwaiti national members, then they can participate in Kuwait tournament, but they will not be qualified to the finals. Having a Kuwaiti member is a must for a team to be qualified to the finals. The hardware used for Robo Mission would be Lego, EV3, Sparks, and the details will be all mentioned in a document in the game rules that it's already provided on the website. For Future Innovator, they have a free choice of technology. They can choose anything they like. In one project, they can have Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Lego. They will be qualified, or they will be evaluated based on the idea they have, the prototype they built, and how well the robot is functioning. Softwares both have free choice of software. Maximum sizes for the robo mission: the robot should not be more than 25 by 25 by 25 centimeter. As for future innovator, they will we will allocate a booth with 2 by 2 by 2 meters size, and their project should fit in the booth. So a team in Korea, they had a swimming pool, a small swimming pool, and they had the robot in that swimming pool. Some teams select, or they choose to use the space for presentation for their marketing material more than their project. It depends on how the team would like to present. The characteristic in RoboMission: building a program or a robot that solves a challenge on a field. The field is already predefined. While in Future Innovator, they develop a robot project that helps solving a real-world problem, which is in this case either future sustainability, or it's like the forces of nature, which is creating or inventing something that protect us from the natural disasters. This is how the RoboMission category looks like. There will be different RoboMission competition fields for different age groups. 8 to 12 years old, their competition field will be about sustainable farming. So they have to design and program a robot to do the certain or the defined missions and to gain points based on the missions completed. Now, usually when we have teams in this kind of competitions, and we ask them to present their project, they only talk about the missions. We would like to change that, and we would like our teams to have a more relevant story to the theme of the competition. For example, here, what would the yellow and the red trees represent? What is the name of the robot? What is the main functionality of the robot? What is their strategy in this sustainable farm? The more they know, the more they explain, the more they will show the judges that they have studied and they have educated themselves with the facts about sustainable farming. And this is what we want, because these are based on our experience in global competitions. That would be one of the most important factors they get points on and they get qualified on. Their ability to present a concept, a project of their own, the scenario that they believe this competition field represent. And that would be something very important for them to train on. And that's why we have the collaboration with scientists in Kuwait to educate our teams with that. For 11 to 15 years old, the theme will be Green City. Again, we already have green cities in Kuwait: Daliya, Al-Fahel, Yarmouk, Di'iyah. They are already officially green cities. Even Kuwait University, they are officially green cities from the UN, and they have the certification for that. It's important for our children to know that in Kuwait we do have green cities. What are the criteria they're getting those qualification on, and how they can use that information in their presenting their project. For 14 to 19 years old, the competition is about forces of nature.
There are two start areas on the game field. On the day of competition, one one start area is selected for the full day. There are 16 houses elements.
As I said before, all of them are using, all of them should have a story to tell when it comes to how they want to present their project to the judges. Something important to notice here that those Lego bricks, there are a package of WRO Lego bricks provided by Lego and by ATLAB, the supplier, the official supplier in Kuwait. And you can order it for each competition field if you don't have those pieces. And this kit will be used for, or those bricks will be used for 2025-2024 competitions. Future innovators, they have a task to develop a robot. Sustainable future, can your team develop a robot model helps to make part of our modern life more sustainable? And forces of nature, can your team develop a robot model that can help to prevent damage from natural disaster or work to recover from their impact on our living spaces? So these are the main topics in Future Innovator. In Future Innovator, once we have the finals or the qualified teams announced in Kuwait, they can continue working on the same project until they present it in the finals in Turkey. As for the Robo mission, once the finals has been announced, or once the qualified teams has been announced, we will be providing you with the mission that the teams should work on for a month. And on Turkey, on the competition, they will also have another secret mission that will be announced then for them to work on. So there will be two missions that they have to work on the same field mats. So that will not change, but the missions will have slight changes, or new missions will be announced later for team to participate on. Future innovators, they can still continue working on the same project until they are presented. Areas of collaboration. We thank everyone who believed in us and believed in WRO. I would like to give the chance to the youth of Kuwait to participate in such an amazing competition. Arjan Bidaya, thank you very much. M2R, thank you. 360 FM, هيئة الشباب, and جمعية الكويت لعلوم الأرض, the Kuwait Geoscience Society. طبعا دكتور مبارك الهاجري ودكتور يعقوب الرفاعي, they will be supporting us and they will be our educational partner by providing workshops and lectures with geoscientists from Kuwait. So they have members from Kuwait University, specialists from Kuwait University, from Kisr, from KOC oil companies, and they will be providing us with workshops to empower our teams with information. So we don't want our teams to depend on YouTube and special search to choose the topic or to be inspired with the topic that they want to build the robot about. So they will be suggesting the main topics, the hot topics and issue related to WRO themes. They will be providing insights on current solutions and technology used. They will be also participating in judging the teams participating from Kuwait in Kuwait tournament. Supporting the qualified teams to win top ranks in World Champions, inshallah. So we thank you very much, Kuwait Geoscience Society, for your contribution, and they will be holding workshops in June, July, which is in the summer course, and for the school times in September, inshallah. So we'll be having 4 in June, July, and we'll be having 4 in September. Inshallah, all the presentations, all the workshops will be recorded and will be available for you to view and to get use of anytime suitable for you. Training centers. We are now, currently we have 2 training centers, Team Studios and Smart Goals. who will be providing the training, but more are coming inshallah, and we will be announce all of the training centers in Kuwait who are providing services for WRO teams. The services include providing the robots, the training, providing you the space. If your team has the robot already and you only need the space to participate, you can also contact them and see how they can support you with that. Universities and schools, please, if you are willing to collaborate and to contribute in providing those such spaces, either for your schools only or for the community, please feel free to contact us, and we can arrange different things with you guys, and we can announce it to the public that your university and your school are participating in. Our recommendations for universities and schools. Universities, you can start in the summer courses with university clubs and friends from different majors, geoscience, engineering, computer science. They can gather, they can team up, and they can participate in the competition. It's very important to have the scientific factor, the researcher in the team, because they are the one who are responsible to make the scenarios and to present facts that support their prototype, support their project. And that it would be something very important in presentation, and they can really get high points and stand out because of that. As for schools, we announce you to start announcing it in August, and from the second week of school, you can, or we recommend you to start some after school clubs. And that after school clubs can be 1 week, 2 weeks. It can be like a boot camp to prepare different teams participating in WRO. Now, each team can also have a scientist, an engineer, and a programmer. Now, we can also provide and help with coaches. We can collaborate with universities to help and provide you with coaches, so that the load will not be on the teachers alone, and the teachers will be supervising the club instead of running everything and training all the teams. We would like your schools to participate with as many teams as you can. We want the majority. We don't want only the students who are registering for the robotics club. We want all the students who are interested in WRO, interested in making a change, in inventing something, joining other members with other skill sets. And we know that collaboration and teamwork will be the most difficult skills they are gaining. But we want our kids, we want the youth of Kuwait to participating in these kind of competitions more. We have big plans for them, and we really know that we believe that we really can win a global rank with a team from Kuwait. Thank you for your time. Feel free to contact us, and please, schools, universities, institute, training clubs, if you are interested to collaborating with us, please contact us directly, and we will support you with the resources that we have. We will be supporting you even with the network, with our network, and we hope to see you soon in Kuwait's tournament and achieve great things globally. Thank you very much. Wish you a nice day.